before every spiritual level that a person is climbing in his life, first of all, what that he meet is the storm. First of all, those flaming, firing horses and thunders and lightnings and angels are coming to block the person from disrespecting the Creator. Before every achievement in Avodat Hashem, while trying to serve the Creator, you have obstacles, you have difficulties. That is the storm that is trying to hold you back. Why? Because we are guilty in many things. We messed up big time in many lifetimes, even before we came here. And also in our life, we're not holy enough, we're not pure enough, we're not righteous enough. We're trying. There is a very nice, beautiful kaf zchut. How you say kaf zchut? Looking at us with a good eye, and there is a lot of grace while checking us, while looking at us. They're judging us favorably, but still we cannot argue with the fact that we're not able to be 100% pure and holy, and our thoughts are not being distracted, and everything is perfect. We're not holding that level. So because of that, there are many reasons for the court of heaven to try to protect the honor, the respect of the Almighty, that we will not going to disgrace Him while seeing Him, while meeting Him. For an example, if you're filthy, so it's okay to be filthy in the fields, but your wife will tell you, take off your muddy shoes before you come into the house, because the house is supposed to be cleaner than the outside. It's okay to go with your uniform, with your outfit, with filthy. You're outside, okay. You were working. It's okay, understandable. But in the house, take off your shoes, take off your sandals, like Hashem is saying to Moses. Take off your shoes before you come to see Hashem. And the Zohar Kadosh is saying on that, when Moshe is coming to speak with Hashem, that even to Moses, when he was 80 years old, after 60 years of dedicating his life in the desert only to prayer on the redemption, Hashem is telling him, get rid of your impure body, the contaminated body, from the poison of the snake, from the impurity that the snake put in the bodies of human beings. So even him, 80 years old Moses, Moshe Rabbeinu, the giant, the holiest person on earth, no one can understand who we're talking about, need to get rid of his impure body that is impure in leprosy of the snake. That's what the Zohar Kadosh is saying on Moses, on Hashem's words to Moses in that vision in the prophecy of the burning bush. So even when Moses wants to reach to Hashem, he needs to work on his body. He needs to clean off all the filth, all the impure leprosies that have been glued to us, that have been attached to us. So in every situation of your life, when you want to see Hashem, when you want to grow, when you want to succeed, when you want to come closer to the Creator, in every situation like that, obstacles will come and will try to reject you, not because you really are not worthy, just because they're in a mission, they have their own job. And their job is to respect Hashem. Now, they couldn't care less about your motives and your reasons and the favorably and all that. They not gonna let no one get into Hashem's palace with filthy shoes. That's it. They have only one thing in their mind. You're not gonna disrespect Hashem. That's their only thought. They've been created to respect Hashem. Now, you're coming with your cargo, you're coming with your leprosy, you're coming with your imaginations, with your mentality, with your character, with your sadness, with your depression, with your angers, with your filthy words, with your, hey, what's going on? I also want to see Hashem. It doesn't work like that. So what they're doing, they're attacking you. Who they are? They are those flaming horses of thunders, of lightnings, of darkness, of clouds, of fog that are protecting Hashem. And Moshe, on him, it's been said that he went into the darkness. Kishama Elokim, because he knew that God is over there. He is not afraid of those flaming horses like Elijah the prophet, that he can overpower them even when they're coming in the storm. He will overpower them. He will control them and gonna ride on the backs of those flaming horses up to heaven, because he realized that Hashem is over there. Now, when your faith is strong and solid, when your heart is a flaming fire to Father in heaven, to Hashem, so then for you also the desire to be respectable and to respect Hashem, never to hurt Hashem's feelings, never to disrespect Hashem, always to be as righteous as you can. That holy desire is something that you also wish. It's not something foreign to you. You love the rebuke. You want to learn. When your desire is to serve the Creator, the rebuke for you is a favor. The insultings, the shames, the obstacles that you find in your life are only waking you up to learn what you need to fix. And you're happy. You're jumping on those difficulties like you found a treasure. Because for you, it's learning time. It's amazing. Now I know what I need to be careful from. Now I know what I was doing so wrong. Now I know exactly what was... Yes, now I figure it all out. Now I know. Now I'm going to work on myself on that. It's such a privilege. Thank you, Hashem. Because you remember that et asher yohav Hashem yochiach, that Hashem rebukes the one He loves. He rebukes you because He still got hope. He still holds faith in you that you want to learn, that you want to improve, that you want to fix yourself. So He's telling you exactly what you need to do to fix. And then you're not scared from the rebuke of those flaming horses, and you can overpower them. And not only to overpower them, just also to use them as to assist you, to help you, to bring you straight to heaven, toward Hashem. You're going to ride on those flaming horses in the time of storm. And you're not going to be scared, and you're not going to die. Those flaming horses of fire are an example for you to learn from. You have your own obstacles. You have your own storm in life. You have your own temper. You have your own sadness and darkness. Those horses of darkness with lightnings coming out of their eyes is something that you can see in your own life. When you try to come closer and to do something good, and suddenly the world is turning over you, and suddenly such walls are being built in front of your eyes, and you're not able to function, and you say, I just want to pray a little bit, I just want to guard my eyes a little bit, I just want to think for a minute. And from heaven they're saying, you're not going to think, and you're not going to pray, you're not going to learn, and you're not going to set your schedule, and you're not going to eat kosher, and you're not going to daven, you're not going to keep Shabbat, and you're not going to go to the mikveh, and you're not going to take your haircut before of the holidays, and you're not going to have time to cut your fingernails. They will put every possible obstacle in front of your path when you desire to climb above the physicality of this world, and it's coming only for one reason. And if you're going to unite yourself with that reason, if you're going to accept on yourself the supervision of Hashem, the real desire of the King of Honor to be respected, to be honored, those obstacles, those flaming horses won't be able to stop you. They won't be able to stop you. If you're going to understand that all those difficulties are coming only to stop you from disrespecting Hashem, You will work on yourself to learn how to respect Hashem, and then you will be able, like Elijah the prophet, to ride on those horses in the time of storm. They're going to be the elevator that will uplift you, that will take you to places that for you today they are defined as the unknown. For you, it's top secret. It's above your ability to understand, to grasp. And Hashem can take you there in a second.
שום דבר כבר לא יעצור אותי מלהגיע